Good day, everyone. Today, I am proud to present GeoMotion, a groundbreaking platform designed to transform disaster mitigation through real-time spatial intelligence. Landslides remain a silent, catastrophic threat, causing thousands of casualties annually. The problem? Current systems are often too slow or too expensive to provide actionable warnings. This is why I built GeoMotion. It is an interactive dashboard that merges satellite mapping with live hardware telemetry to detect ground movement before it becomes a disaster. At its core, we utilize with motion sensor. These are high precision industrial devices capable of tracking soil tilt and vibration with a 0.01 degree accuracy. So we monitor three critical metrics: orientation to detect soil tilt, acceleration for vibration, and angular velocity to track structural failure. Our dashboard simplifies this complex data into four pillars: map visualization, sensor integration, insight generation, and most importantly, empowered action. So when a sensor detects movement exceeding safety threshold, GeoMotion triggers an immediately alert providing the precious second needed for evacuation. Having successfully integrated the live sensor network with our interactive platform, we are now ready to scale this from a prototype to a life-saving reality for at-risk communities. Because in the end, GeoMotion is more than just a tech dashboard. It is a shield to protect vulnerable lives from natural disaster. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Let us build safer communities together with GeoMotion.